Do you want transparent text on your video?
Hell yeah!
Let me show you how to do it in CapCut Mobile. But before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorial videos that we drop every week. Let's get into the video. Import the video that you want to put your transparent text on into your CapCut Mobile. As soon as you have that done, go to the panel below your timeline and tap on the text icon. Tap on Add Text. Once the menu comes up, write the text that you want. After writing your text, tap on Fonts. Pick any font that you want for your text. I'm going to pick the Terror font. Tap on Styles next to Font. I want a style that has white strokes on the text. I'm going to tap on that. And as you can see, that has been applied on my text on the video. Let's increase the size now, because I don't like this size, it's too small, so I want to increase it. I'm going to use my size slider to increase the size of my text. After increasing the size, I can now see that the white strokes are too thick. To change that, I'll go to Stroke, which is next to Brand Colors. Tap on Stroke. I'm going to use the width slider to decrease the stroke. Reduce it. This is much better. Once you are done with that, tap on Text Pack. Now let's make the text transparent. We're going to use our opacity slider, decrease it. Now let's play to check it out. Once you're satisfied with your output, tap on the tick good sign. If you want to apply the text for a particular period of time for your video, you can slide it to where you want it to be and where it should stop. So let's play to check it out.
Okay.